Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? Let's find out. The growling sound, called borborygmi, happens when your stomach and intestines contract to move food, air, and fluids. When your stomach is empty, these movements create louder sounds because there's nothing to muffle them. It's your body's way of saying, time to eat. Next time your stomach growls, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body doing its job. What's your go-to snack when you're hungry? Let us know. And follow SMK Entertainment for more amazing facts.